Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be looking at some curly hair gift sets that I think make really good gifts or are really good values if you want to buy some stuff for yourself this time of year. I personally love also shopping for myself during the season.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Basically things that I would A, like to receive as a gift, B, are good values, or C, I think would be a good gift to give someone. Pretty sure I just mansplained gift giving and shopping. So I have my laptop here because I don't have all of these gift sets. I basically just went on to some websites and did a little bit of research and picked out my favorite. We have 7 gift sets here, and these are all ranging in different prices. Okay, so let's start off with gift set number 1, and this is the Diva Curl, the Ultimate Care Kit. This is such a good deal. So this comes with a Diva dryer, a microfiber towel, 2 different hair masks, as well as the Diva hand attachment and the nozzle attachment, so like all of the attachments that come with the blow dryer, everything. The masks are travel size, but the whole thing is $159. So I think that is a really good price. I want to say that's the price of the blow dryer on its own normally. So yeah, so you're getting all of that stuff for the price of the blow dryer. I saw that kit, I loved it. Think it's a great gift. So the next set I saw was one from Living Proof. I haven't talked about these products yet, but I recently tried their line for volume and I really liked it. So basically you get 3 full-size products for $54, which is so good. It comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, as well as the Dry Volume Blast, which I love. Or if you've never tried Living Proof and you're thinking, hey, maybe it's a good time for me to try it, they also have these really amazing mini kits. So for $18 you get 3 to 4 mini-sized products, but it's a really good way to introduce yourself to the line or somebody else. So next up I came across the Briogeo Superfoods Hair Bar set, and this is a duo of shampoo and conditioner, 1 full set and 1 travel set. I really like their shampoo and conditioners, so I was kind of drawn to this one. Sorry if you can hear Maggie playing. Plus the packaging was super cute, and I just thought that this would be like really cute to give to somebody. So for $50 you're getting 2 full-size, 2 travel products. All right, now let's wander over to Love Your Curls. And I saw on their website that they had, oh here it is, the collector's edition gift box. So inside of this gift box comes a comb, a clutch, a towel, and then you get a mini kit. So you can also buy the mini kit separately, which would be a really cute little stocking stuffer or just like a smaller gift to give to somebody. And the mini kits come with a shampoo, conditioner, and then the step 3 styling product for either wavy, curly, or coily hair. So you have your options there. So the full box is $49, and then just the mini kit of the products is $24. Okay. Oh, and then the last one. Wait, this is exciting. Hold on. Oh hey, that's me. Obviously, I had to include the Share the Love sets from Diva Curl, not only because my face is on the back of the curly one, which is so cool. Thank you to everyone who messaged me and told me on Instagram when they saw it in stores. Besides the fact that I'm on the box, it's a really good deal. So they come out with these every holiday season, and this is $48. You get a full-sized, no poo, 1 condition, and then 2 travel-sized products. So in this kit, it comes with the light defining gel and the Set It Free. Then they have one for wavy hair, which probably has the Delight line, and they have one for really tight curls, which probably has the Decadence line in it, I'm assuming. But yeah, so for $48, you get 2 full-sized, 2 travel products. I think this is a really good deal as well, and also really cool. So thank you, Diva Curl. All right, guys, so that is going to wrap up my curly hair gift set recommendations. I hope you found some things that maybe you want to try or you want to give to somebody. Don't forget to send this video to all of your friends and loved ones who are shopping for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a wonderful rest of the week. Oh my gosh, wait, no, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.